spicy food.
It ain't spicy.
Mine
All right, y'all. So we are back from the mall. We were there for like an hour and some change.
I thought we was there longer than that.
We got there at like 5 something and we left at like 7.
No, we didn't leave at 7. It's 8:56. We left at 8 something.
Oh,
it was after 8 when we left.
So we left at like 8:30. So we were there from like, we got there at like almost 6 to 8. So we were there for like 2 hours. Walked around pretty much the entire Galleria. Saw some stores, went into some stores. Y'all saw some of the places that we went into and what we experienced while we were there in clips. But it was a nice place. We liked it. We grabbed some food from, what was the place called?
CC's Cajun Seafood?
CC's Cajun Seafood. So we grabbed some Cajun seafood from it was like a fast food Cajun restaurant, which was nice because we didn't have to wait long for the food at all. It was like maybe 10 minutes that we had to wait to get it. And there was 2 people in front of us, so it was good.
This is spicy.
Babe got spicy crab legs, snow crab legs.
Snow crab. A half a pound of snow crab. And then it come with corn and potatoes. They might as well say 1 corn and 2 potatoes because that's what it was like.
Yeah, so corn, potatoes, and snow crab.
And it's spicy. Oh my god,
spicy version. And I got a shrimp po' boy and fries because I'm basic out here.
Yo, hear me out. Anybody do that dance and nasty up and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things, loopings. Well, alright then. I go see me a cleanest. Clothes on me rocking at the fucking realest. Ching. Inna the Louis V vest, girl want with his squeezy liquor and real bless. Turn a low breeze for the head of my penis. Coolest breeze that me rocking a sleeveless.